Question: how do you scale quickly to keep up with the recent peak in demand? The answer? Plataine. Plataine complements your ERP by optimizing and automating the production process from material receiving to product shipping. It allows you to achieve growth because it's developed with manufacturers for manufacturers. With years of experience and global leading customers, Plataine helps advanced manufacturers like you to scale operations like never before. The Plataine solution creates an optimized production schedule in one click, taking into consideration business constraints and rules, work orders, factory and human resources, and tools. Unexpected events on the factory floor? No problem. The schedule is dynamically adjusted in real time, eliminating production bottlenecks and maximizing efficiency. Plataine's solution automates the entire material management process by freeing up operators' valuable time, enabling them to focus on productive tasks. Plataine's digital assistants provide proactive alerts and recommendations to staff, boosting productivity. With an automated material receiving process and tracking, you don't need paper and Excel anymore. You'll be able to increase throughput while eliminating errors and using expired materials. Quality is crucial in manufacturing. The Plataine solution ensures first-time right production by reducing rework and scrap. By integrating intelligent AI algorithms, potential quality issues will be identified before they snowball into bigger problems. Plataine also prevents delays caused by missing materials, tools, or unmaintained equipment. You can even manage all your preventative maintenance seamlessly. With the Plataine solution, manufacturers can create and maintain a digital thread, enabling comprehensive audit and quality control. It collects and organizes tribal knowledge, ensuring that valuable expertise is preserved and shared across the organization. Are you ready to take the next leap into digital manufacturing? Book a demo today.